What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. We're both know why you're here, so let's get right into today's video. All done with my cutting. These are all my cuts that I needed. I have basically 8 of everything. But yeah, this is where we're at right now. Next thing up is pocket holes. As you guys can see here, I'm starting to attach my boards together in groups of 2 and then finally joining them together so that way all 4 are attached for the top of the table. If you seem to be enjoying the video so far, please don't forget to hit the like button as it really helps my channel grow. In order to avoid my legs from shifting whenever I screwed the legs on, I let the glue dry for about a couple of hours before actually screwing the legs. Dry by now, so I'm about to start sanding it down, just sand it enough to get it smooth and even, and then we'll get ready to start adding the other legs as you guys will start seeing this transform pretty soon here, and then we'll be ready for some color. Now can you guys start to see my vision with this like faux steel look going on? And then of course we're going to be staining this top the same walnut color as the bed frame that we made in my last video. If you guys didn't catch that last video, I will have it linked here for you guys so that you guys can take a peek at that. So let's get to staining. right, you guys, so this is where we're at right now. We are going to let these fellas dry for about, I don't know, maybe about 2 hours or so. And then I'll show you what's next.
Let me know what your favorite part of today's video is. I'd love to hear what your guys' thoughts are on not only the video or content itself, but also on these side tables. You guys have endless options with these tables. You guys can use them for nightstands, side tables, end tables in a living room. The possibilities are endless. If you're subscribed to my channel, then you know that I will be using these side tables for my bedroom as nightstands. For my upcoming bedroom makeover. If you're not subscribed and you enjoyed this content and any other of my other content, then hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any other future uploads. With that being said, thank you guys so very much for watching again, and I'll catch you guys next time. Again, thank you so much and be kind.